I saw it on an email from Vicki, and my broker at my real estate company suggested we go, so we came.
What was your favorite part of today?
I think just like learning the confidence to use the skills that they taught us to be able to defend myself and my family if needed.
I found out about the event from my break room. Actually, they have a little poster put up there on the board. I think my favorite part was probably getting to practice shooting on the range. It made me feel a lot more comfortable with it, just shooting over and over.
Gosh, I don't know. I really like all of it. I really love the class. It is very informative. I love the self-defense training. It probably would be my favorite part of it.
Who is a friend of mine. She is a realtor, I'm a teacher, and we kind of had the same reason for wanting to go or needing to go. There's a need.
Well, for one, I really liked the class we took earlier for self-defense. I learned a lot in there. I do have a black belt, but I learned a lot more in this class. And then also just brushing up on safety and just target shooting, and learned so many things today.
My favorite part about today was feeling more confident in being able to protect myself in scary situations. It was fun, lighthearted, but also very educational.
It was very detailed, very efficiently run. I feel as though I am very prepared. We had lots of time to practice each of the things that we learned, which was great. My biggest takeaway was probably the confidence that I have now, especially with the hand-to-hand things. For me, that I'm small, and it is kind of scary, you know, when somebody approaches you, you learn to be confident because you know what to do if something happens.
I would say we got a lot more like gun training than I expected, but I was happy about that.
Well, if anybody's thinking about taking a class like this, I would highly recommend this one because I really did brush up on my skills quite a bit while I was here. I could see a big improvement in my shooting ability, and it was just a good refresher. So.
I got more than I expected. I loved the one-on-one help with our own firearms and our own shooting abilities, the way that they could critique our specific needs. And then I loved just how the whole thing was ran. The day went really smooth.
No, I'm glad that there is this class for women that helps teach the defensive mechanism that you need to know in case there was an emergency. There's not very many classes out there like that.
I think everything was so thought out, from the hand-to-hand defense to the firearm training to the shooting, which we're going to do now. I think that is very well thought out and very encompassing of all the things that we probably would need to know.
Yes, I'm so excited for the next one. I plan to come and go up all the levels that they provide.
Feeling a little more comfortable around guns. Great to be in a class with all ladies learning how to use guns, so that was good.
No, I think it was pretty great. He was a really good teacher and felt like all my questions were answered. It's good. Yeah, I think I want to come back for the other levels and learn more stuff. Pretty cool.
My favorite part was all of it. The hands-on, self-defense, and the shooting.
Is there anything you would change?
No.
Would you be interested in coming back?
For sure. I want to come back for all of it.
Do you have anything else you want to add?
Nope. I loved it.
She's coming back.
Thanks, Vicki.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.